Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 2nd, subject Marigold. Unit 5. In Unit 5 here a story given about a rabbit. The name is Funny Bunny. So today we are going to start this story. So let's see. First we will try to understand this story, then we will complete our next exercise. Okay, so let's see. One day a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Funny Bunny, who is Funny Bunny? Yes, here a rabbit. So one day a rabbit lying under a tree, suddenly a nut here nut fell on his head. Then ouch, the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I must tell the king. So here when suddenly a nut fell on his head, he was thinking that the sky is going to fall, and he was thinking that he should go to the king, and he said, I must tell the king. On the way he met Henny Penny. When he was going to king, so on the way he met Henny Penny. So the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. When he met to Henny Penny, here given, he said to Henny Penny that the sky is going to fall. I am going to tell the king. That means he said to Henny Penny that I am going to tell the king. I will come too, said Henny Penny. After that, Henny Penny also said that I will come too. And end of they went to find the king. Soon they met Cocky Loki. When Funny Bunny and Henny Penny both were going to meet the king, on the way he met Cocky Loki. Then the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. I will come too, said Cocky Loki. After that, when they both were going to the king, when he met Cocky Loki, so Cocky Loki also want to go with them. Then end of they went to find the king. Then they were going to find to the king. End of they went to find the king. On the way they met Lucky Ducky. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. Then I will come too, said Lucky Ducky. After that, Lucky Ducky also said that I will come too. End of they went to find the king. On the way, they met Pussy Goosey. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. I will come too, said Pushy Goosey. After that, Pushy Goosey also want to go with them. So he said, I will come too. End of they went to find the king. On the way, they met Foxy Foxy. When they all were going to find the king, they all met to Foxy Foxy. The sky is going to fall, they all said. We are going to tell the king. So when they met to Foxy Foxy, they all said, we are going to find the king because the sky is going to fall. And then the king lives here, said Foxy Foxy, follow me. After that, Foxy Foxy said to all of them, he said, the king lives here, come with me. And that was the end of Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Lucky, Lucky Ducky and Pushy Goosey. because the fox was very smart and clever fellow. Foxy Foxy took all to so far and kill them and eat them. Okay, now here we have some new words. Let's see. Nut, ouch, mate, I'm, I'll, of, yar. So let's see their meanings. Nut. So what is the meaning of nut? A fruit with a hard shell. Then next is ouch. So used to express pain. Mate. So meaning is to see someone after a certain period of time. I am. So here meaning I am. It is a short form of this word. Then I means I will. Off means to move away. And we are. This is short form of that. Again, nut, ouch, made, I am, I will, of, we are. Okay, now next is reading is fun. Here, blank given, we have to fill it with help of this option. Okay. One day, dash, a nut or the sky fell on Funny Bunny. What fell on the Funny Bunny? Yes, a nut fell on it. So here we write a nut. So one day a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Then next is Funny Bunny wanted to tell this. The king, the cock, the sky, what he saw. So Funny Bunny wanted to tell that the king. What they want? He want to tell the king. Yes, the sky was falling. And now next is who said these words in the story. So here some words given. We have to find that who said this sentence in this story. So let's see first one. Ouch! The sky is falling down. Who said this sentence? Yes, Funny Bunny. So here we write Funny Bunny. Then I must tell the king. Who said this sentence? Yes, this sentence also said Funny Bunny. So here we write Funny Bunny. Then next is the king lives here. Who said this sentence? So let's see here. Here said the king lives here. Said Foxy Foxy. So who said this sentence? Yes, Foxy Foxy. So here we write Foxy Foxy. Then follow me. Who said this? Yes, this one also said Foxy Foxy. So here we write Foxy Foxy. Okay, now next activity is say aloud. Here are some words that we have to read. Okay, so let's see. Ouch, pouch, couch. Ouch, pouch, couch. Follow, hollow, swallow. Follow, hollow, swallow. Down, town, frown. Down, town, frown. Bray, clay, sway. Bray, clay, sway. Okay, now next is let's write. Circle the odd one out. So here some words given, we have to find odd one. Okay, so let's see first one. Bun, shun, fun, gun, and one. So which word is odd here? Yes, one is odd because here all sentence end with un, un, un and un, but here one, one. So this one is odd of them. Now next is bed, fade, laid, said, read. So which one is odd? Yes, said, odd, because all sentence end with ed. See here, ed, ed, ed and ed. So this one is odd here. Now let's see next. He, me, be, t, we. So which one is odd? Yes, t is odd. Why? Because all words end with E. So this one odd here. Now last one. We, say, he, pay, they. Which one odd here? Yes, here they is odd word. How? See here. Here all words end with ay. Ay. But here end with ey. So this one odd here. Now you have to do this work in your textbook. Okay. Thank you.